From the land down under comes another mechanical masterpiece from the renowned custom workshop Purpose Built Moto. Led by Tom Gilroy, this Queensland-based team has earned worldwide fame for its exceptional craftsmanship and unique approach to motorcycle customization. Their latest project, a custom Yamaha XT500, showcases not only striking visual upgrades, but also a long list of serious mechanical improvements that make it a true modern classic. Commissioned by a client all the way from Florida, USA, this build is a testament to PBM's global reputation. It began with the worn-out Yamaha XT500, a dual-sport legend known for its bulletproof reliability and rugged charm. However, this particular unit had seen better days, having undergone several questionable modifications by previous owners. The PBM team retained only the original frame, fuel tank, and engine before tearing the rest apart to rebuild it from the ground up. The transformation started with the suspension. PBM collaborated with Costanzo Racing Tuned to equip the XT500 with new inverted forks and custom triple clamps at the front, while the rear received adjustable YSS shocks with progressive springs. The wheels were upgraded to a set of 21-inch front and 18-inch rear Excel rims, laced with stainless spokes and wrapped in Dunlop D606 dual-purpose tires for ultimate grip. Braking performance also saw an upgrade with new discs and calipers at both ends. The heart of this machine, the 499cc single-cylinder engine, received a complete internal overhaul. It now features a big-bore kit, larger valves, a high-compression piston, and a rebuilt crankshaft. A modern camshaft and revamped oiling system ensure the engine runs smoothly for years to come. The PBM team added a Mikuni carburetor, an electric starter, and a 12-volt charging system controlled by their proprietary black box controller. The stainless steel exhaust system, featuring an FMF power bomb and DG silencer, gives it a powerful growl worthy of its aggressive look. Aesthetically, the XT500 remains true to its heritage while adopting a more modern edge. The front fairing, housing a 4.5-inch LED headlight and a digital Daytona dial, blends seamlessly with the classic tank and side panels. The hand-trimmed saddle from Timeless Auto Trim adds both comfort and sophistication. Finished in a stunning black and yellow color scheme with Yamaha's iconic speed block graphics and gold rims, this XT500 is an absolute showstopper. Purpose Built Moto's custom Yamaha XT500 is more than a build. It's a celebration of engineering artistry. With equal attention to performance and design, this creation stands as one of PBM's finest, proving once again why they are among the best custom builders in the world.